Tomorwan te manna tomor la sankuri wala kono jube te manna tomor la sankuri wala tomorwan te manna tomor la sankuri wala kono jube te manna tomor la sankuri wala baba la mano domoela adomoela ya kunyondi baba la mano domoela kadomoela ya kunyondi bari man salamano adomoela ya kunyondi Kadomo dorong bari man salamano adomoela ya kunyondi ni amanyi Sate molu belu benta nyancho belorintema alla mansola darolem nimunna barote alla mansola darolem molu nyanta kadankene ya dunia Tomorwan te manna tomor la sankuri wala kono jube te manna tomor la sankuri wala tomorwan te manna tomor la sankuri wala kono jube te manna tomor la sankuri wala baba la mano adomoela ye kunyondi bari man salamano adomoela kadomoela ye kunyondi amanyi barinke malong barbiwo isilong barinke malong barbiwo isilong barinke malong barbiwo isilong barinke malong barbiwo isilong.
When and why did you get into music?
Wow, when and why did I get into music? Well, I got into music since creation.
Really?
As you know, I don't learn these things, it's just by instinct that it came onto me, influxed by the Almighty Allah. Yeah, so, and the reason why I am into it is well known by the Creator Allah who made it to be. So,
what message do you want to convey in your music?
Well, the message I am conveying and want to convey is all about positive message. As you know, music is all about, well, sensitizing, educating, entertaining, and you know what I mean? It engulfs a lot, and all over is to be related to human beings internally, externally, and then on all natural, natures and so on, creations and so on, and creatures. So I convey positive things, whereas people need to love, respect, honor, and cooperate with one another, sympathize and help as much as one can, because nobody is an island, nobody can do on his own.
Yeah,
so we need to interrelate with one another as to be with God's kingdom, because that's why God brought us in this world, to love, respect, honor one another, understand, and then to interdo with one another as well as do with nature that we meet here.
What do you think your music can offer the world?
Well, my message is benefiting the entire universe very, very well. I can't estimate the degree of its extent, you understand, but it's creating a lot of impact, you understand, to the whole world at large, you understand, because if you should look, I'm inspired by most of the people nationally, internationally, continentally, you understand, by various aspects of ages, young people, old people, feminists, masculines, whosoever, understand, I'm inspired by a lot of people, and I am very proud to do that.
What are the obstacles to the development of your music?
Well, I have millions of obstacles, but
Can we have a clue of some of the millions of obstacles there?
It's funny anyway to say this and this and that, you understand, but I feel there are obstacles, there are obstacles in a way or the other, because obstacles are always part of development.
Yeah.
You understand? And I am very happy to encounter obstacles within my aspirations, because obstacles sometimes be as physical rounds where you can stand and then know where to step, because without obstacles you may not know what you are doing, you may not assess yourself, but obstacles are part of development, and I'm happy to encounter obstacles so as to make me jog my brain to great effect as to entrust and then execute more endeavorance in whatever I'm trying to do.
Challenge the world.
Yeah. That's true. Because obstacles, the greater the obstacles, you understand, the more it determines, you understand, the category of your greatness. You understand? If you realize, if you encounter cheap things, you understand, it doesn't make you excel more. But the harder you encounter, categorize, you understand, the degree of your greatness and so on. That's why I always like to challenge, I always like to struggle, and I feel proud to do that. That if you do that, you say, wow, I did this and I realize it. You feel proud of yourself.
Yeah, and you're happy.
Yeah, that's right. And
because the reward is always great.
That's right.
Whenever you suffer, you will
that's
come
true.
to end up
That's
enjoying
true.
at the end.
That's very true.
Africa, nyakatiso manilandarina koropi yes Africa manilandarina wai nyakatiso manilandarina koropi yes Africa manilandarina wai ay nyakatiso manilandarina koropi yes Africa manilandarina wai ay nyakatiso manilandarina koropi yes Africa manilandarina pararara nyakatiso manilandarina koropi yes Africa manilandarina pararara nyakatiso manilandarina koropi yes Africa manilandarina wai ay nyakatiso manilandarina koropi yes Africa manilandarina wai ay nyakatiso.
What are your future plans?
Yeah, my future plans are very wide, deep, great. You understand? And all I have to do is to excel more and more and more. No matter how much I have been doing, I would like to expedite and then reinforce my efforts to greater effect to serve humankind and the nature as much as I can do. Because I feel like I say every human being is here for a purpose.
Yeah.
And in a way or the other, nobody is stupid, everyone is intelligent. And we dare to browse and then identify what is our role to play. And then as far as you identify what to do, try to concentrate and do it to the utmost level you feel you can. And then you will be with God's kingdom.
That's
right.
great.
So,
what would you like to tell the people out there who'll be watching this show, Gambia or any other place here, everyone who'll be watching this show?
yeah, of course, I have got a lot of things to tell the people, understand, who are looking this show, and not even who are looking this show, but who are part of, the living in this atmosphere. Yes, and I will advocate on people, especially young people, to be more creative, understand, more endeavoring, more active in playing part into development in all capacity, either in a way or the other. Because in this world, like I say, every human being has a talent. So, and we need to nurture the talent, understand. God, nobody is stupid. So every guy, every person has a way that is pre-given by God for him or her to excel and then to create in this world. So creation brings sustainability, and sustainability evolves the world for eternity and makes development. That's why I'm very proud to see people that are self-sufficient, self-creative, understand, and then contributing immensely towards development in the world. Like Vinasa, you people are doing very, very great under the leadership of Nana and the co. Understand? You are trying to establish your own sustainable things, try to evolve, try to compete in world development, understand? And I felt very proud over it, understand? And definitely this is very great. You are what to be evolved, what to be supported, understand, in all capacities, understand? Because like I say, a worthwhile action inspires other people to do at other time. So you doing worthwhile thing, and you need all the support. That's why we are all coming on board to support you to achieve an average, reality over whatsoever.
Greater than where we are today.
And like you say, I'm thanking all my fans in a way or the other for supporting and not supporting, because some are supporting, some are not supporting. And I love to see challenges, like I say, because challenges makes us, joke our brains to reality. And I'm very proud of the people, proud of the fans, proud of everybody who in one way or the other supported.
God, thank you very much for joining us on this show. It was really nice having you on this show. Thanks a lot, Drongo.
Of course, it's a pleasure, and it's always a pleasure.
Really.
Thank you very much. Appreciate a lot too. God bless.
la ñuy laaj ana lu jigéen ñi yellool jigéen ñi war nañoo am cër bi góor ñi am tànn ki ñu bëgg sëyal ndax jigéen la yàlla teral jigéen la yàlla suturaal kon jigéen kenn waru ko suufeel axi jigéen ñi la ñuy laaj ana lu jigéen ñi yelloo la jigéen ñi war nañoo am cër bi góor ñi am ci tànn gi ñu bëgg sëyal ndax jigéen la yàlla teral jigéen la yàlla suturaal kon jigéen kenn waru ko fitnaal réew yi war nañoo defaraat wala ñu dàq lu waay ñi doxal ci mbir aada ak cosaan ak jëf yi su fel da yow jigéen réew yi war nañoo defaraat wala ñu dàq bépp fan njaayante bi ñuy def jigéen ñi aji leen nax ci def leen ay jigéen ñi mbedd réew yi war nañoo ñaawlu war nañu dàq bépp fan njaayante bu ñuy def jigéen ñi aji leen nax ci def leen ay jigéen ñi mbedd yow mi kilifa bis ba metti sa doom mu sëy waaya fexeel ba may ko ki mu bëggante nga la bul ci seet alal mbaa nga di ci seet askan sëy moom dafa neexul ñaar ñu bëggante rek a mën a sëy waay
Thank you for watching Sounds of the Smiling Coast. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Keep enjoying Gambian music. See you next time. Bye-bye.